sing our hearts out, let our words decree. Together we rise, in unity we stand. Voices of the voiceless, hand in hand. Taste my pen, it's a call to the brave. Voices of the past, in the future we pave. Together in this journey, with hearts made of gold. In the tapestry of life, our stories unfold. My verses flow like rivers, nature's gentle sway. Gleaning wisdom from the trees, we pave our way. Exclusion and hate, we drown them with song. In the melody of love, we all belong. Feel the beat of hope,